Corey, please move backward. We are in the process of testing the plane's withstanding.
Sorry, didn't realize I was close, just imaging. The plane structure being impacted once, hitting the wall at a fast speed.
It's alright. Also, by the way, my cast on my dismantle leg came off, so now I'm eternally bleeding. Okay, everyone, we are ready to go barring down, straight into a concrete wall to test this thing, with standing and strength scales.
Yeah, I definitely don't got a bad feeling about this.
It's alright, boys, let's settle and take off.
Damn it, the machinery on this plane sucks crap. Let me try again to start this plane. Oh, finally she's working. Okay, fasten your seatbelt, boys.
Bet.
OSH.
Bro, we're unstable health.
This is our last words, boys. Let's say our final prayings.
Wait, we don't got time for that. ONAHRR.
Oh God, I can't breathe. Am I the only survivor?